Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nadia, and today in this video we're going to be trying out two different types of hot chocolate. One is your regular hot chocolate that I'm going to be adding some extra things to, and the other one is a white hot chocolate. So I'm doing this, I was curious to know how they both tasted with the different ingredients that I'm trying, because growing up I just used milk and hot cocoa. That was it. So I'm adding a few extra things to the two recipes so that I can see, you know, how they taste. The white hot chocolate, I've never had that, so I was curious to know how it was gonna taste, and I wanted to share this with you guys and make this video out of it because it's December and it's Vlogmas, so why not? But yeah, so we're just gonna jump right into it. I already have my pot on the stove with my milk going. So I have, for the first one, the white hot chocolate. You know what, I should have separated that. I'm gonna separate it. Okay, I separated it. Isn't it a beautiful thing that when we mess up on these videos, we can just edit it right out and you guys will never know? But anyways, like I said, I'm doing the white hot chocolate, and this one just has, so I have right now, since I separated it, I have a cup of milk on the stove in the pot, and you guys know I use almond milk. So this is the milk that I'm using. The recipe calls for regular milk, of course, but I don't drink it, so hopefully it still tastes good with almond milk. And then I'll be doing a 4th cup of the Nestle Toll House, the white chocolate chips. Yeah, my scissors suck now. Okay, so maybe I'll do a little more than a 4th, because the recipe that I found calls for 4 cups of milk and then a cup of white chocolate. But of course I cut it down for the sake of the video because I am only making this in a single serving because I'm home alone and I wanted to go ahead and get this done. So we're going to do a 4th, and then I think that's enough. So I did a 4th at first, and then that time it was 1/8. And then the next part of the recipe is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So you guys know what that looks like. It's just this little small bottle. I can open it. So we got 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, and so you let that boil and everything melts together. Like this one is easy because you cook everything together, whereas the other one you do, you know, the milk and then you add the stuff in it afterwards. But this one you just do everything together. So we're gonna let that cook down and melt, and then I will be back to show you guys the difference between the two and taste them on camera so that you'll know what my first impressions are and what I think. The second one that I'm gonna do is going to be just the regular hot chocolate. So just a pack of hot chocolate, and then we will be adding a little coffee creamer to it. And then I'll top both of them. Oh yeah, vanilla extract goes in this one also, so it'll be a teaspoon of vanilla extract in that one also. And then we're just gonna top them with marshmallows, of course. So once that cooks down and melts all together, I'll come back and we'll finish everything so that we can see how this tastes. See y'all in a second. Okay guys, so the white hot chocolate It literally melted down in seconds. It was, by the time I turned the video off telling you guys I was gonna melt it down and be back, it was already melted down because I guess because the milk was so hot. So I poured it out of the pot into here, and it's just, you know, it's white. And then here I have the milk for the other one. So I'm gonna pour them in here so that I can drink and taste them out of this. So that's why I was showing you guys what this one looks like. I mean, it's white. So we're gonna pour the milk in here, and then I'm gonna kind of gauge it from how it looks with the creamer. Kind of go by taste, I guess, how you would normally do coffee. And then we're gonna add the vanilla extract to this one. Also doing 1 teaspoon. Why am I making a mess? 1 teaspoon of that. So we're gonna mix it, and then we're gonna put the white one in here. Okay guys, so I'm back and we're going to try them out to see which one tastes the best. I'm really curious to know what the white chocolate one is going to taste like, because I've never had white chocolate cocoa or hot chocolate. This one is still really hot because there was nothing to cool it down, like the other one has the creamer in it that was cold, so it's cooling down. It's not smoking as much as the white one is. So kind of burnt my lip. To be honest, this one, if you like the taste of white chocolate, this one is for you, because it tastes like I just melted white chocolate into milk, and that's what it tastes like. It tastes like melted white chocolate, but of course it's liquidy and not thick because it has the milk and stuff in it. But it tastes like drinking white chocolate, which I knew it would, kind of, because there's not that many ingredients in it. But it tastes just like nothing else. Like there's no milk in it, there's no extract in it, just melted liquidy white chocolate. That's what this one tastes like. And this one, I guess you could say, is salted caramel hot chocolate. My creamer is salted caramel. So this tastes like that. This one tastes like hot chocolate that's been, you can tell that it's hot chocolate that I've sweetened. It still tastes like hot chocolate, but the creamer that I use is salted caramel, so you can taste that. So if get whatever, if you want to try this version, then whatever creamer you like, then whatever flavor creamer you like, then get that flavor. But I have salted caramel. I normally prefer regular caramel, but they didn't have it, so I got that. So that's kind of like, you can tell that it's hot chocolate, but hot chocolate with a twist. That's what this one tastes like. But this one just tastes like melted chocolate. The white chocolate one is very sweet. Like, I'm not a person, if you're a sweets person and you love the taste of white chocolate, then you would love this one. But I don't like things that are really sweet. So, but I like white chocolate, but this one is too sweet for me, so I wouldn't be able to drink that. It's literally like just sitting there eating or drinking white chocolate morsels. There's no other way to put it. It's just, I mean, it's white chocolate morsels in milk and vanilla extract, but it's just too sweet for me. I can't handle the sweet. And then again, my almond milk may have something to do with that, because it is sweet. So this one is really sweet. It tastes good, but it just tastes like melted chocolate without the milk or the extract, just melted chocolate. But this one, like I said, this would be the one that I would drink, the regular one with the creamer in it, because it tastes like regular hot chocolate. And then this one, you can change the flavor on it depending on whatever creamer you do choose, because I know they have so many different types of creamer now that you can use. So I guess that's the one that I pick because of that. But yeah, so yeah, this is the end of this video, guys. I just wanted to try these out and try them on camera so that you guys could see and I could, you know, do the tasting with y'all, because it's Christmas and we're doing everything together this month because we have 25 days to spend together. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure that you click over here. I think it's over here where you guys see the video. I don't know, here, wherever it is. Make sure that you click my Vlogmas playlist and watch the rest of my videos. We have a long way to go, but that's okay. I'm enjoying it. It takes a lot to do this. So clap it up for yourself if you're doing Vlogmas. And for those of you that are watching us do Vlogmas, thank you. Because this is, like, we say YouTube is like a job all the time, but this is literally like a job. Like, for real. Like, I will be recording and editing all day today, but it's okay because I love it. But anyways, before you leave here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like I said, watch my Vlogmas playlist. Give me a thumbs up on all of my everything. Just joking, but thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.